Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you are looking to create a website in 2024, Hostinger is one of the best options for fast and reliable hosting. In this video, I am going to show you how to create your website on Hostinger. So let's dive in. First of all, you have to open web browser on your mobile device and go to the Hostinger's official website, which is www.hostinger.com. And once you land on homepage of the Hostinger, you can click on the hamburger option, which is located on the top right corner of the screen. From here, you will see an option saying website builder, so click on it. Now you have to choose on the option of whether you want to create a e-commerce website or a normal website. So for this tutorial, I will be clicking on Hostinger's website. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page where if you scroll down, you can see the options which Hostinger provide. One is the premium and another is the business. If you see on the premium closely, you will be able to create 100 websites and you can use AI to build your website. So from here, you have to choose the plan which suits best for you and click on the option saying choose plan. From there, you will be redirected to your cart where you have to click on the option saying continue and you will be provided with the total cost of your website builder. And the last option is to enter your billing information as well as payment information. You can pay for Hostinger using PayPal, debit card or credit card. And that's how you can create a website using Hostinger. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.